Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your internet browser app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for internet browser app, or just click here on search. So then here add internet browser app, just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Click on here on full stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage this here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then you search for internet browser app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.